In this video, I am going to show you make your Android phone announce who's calling you. Let's jump right in. First, take your phone, open the phone app. This is the default app if you want to use make or receive call. After that, tap on the three dots more button top right corner. In the pop-up page, select settings. Once you are in the call settings page, scroll down slowly. Located the answering and ending call option, click to open it. Here you can see various options, but located the read caller names allow or alternative similar name, simply tap on it. Right now this option is turn off, simply turn it on. After that you can see the two options, over Bluetooth and headphone only. This means if you use Bluetooth this time only you can use it, but I recommend you can select always. After that you can also activate the read caller's name twice if you like, or if you don't like it you can turn it off. That is how you can easily turn it on. However, if you don't find this option, this means your phone is lowest software version, so make sure your phone is latest version. To do it, open the settings, scroll all the way to very bottom, go to software update, then tap on check for updates or download and install depending on your phone model, and wait to checking this process. If you can see your phone is update available, simply follow this updated guide and easily update your phone latest version. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Goodbye.